Hello aspirants, welcome to Bank Geology. Today our class is on Earth and Solar System Geology MCQ series. Okay, let's go to first one. The nebular hypothesis was proposed by option A Kant, option B Laplace, option C Kant and Laplace together, option D Kant and Laplace independently. Here is answer is D. Kant and Laplace independently. Why? Why? Because nebular hypothesis first given by Kant in 1755 and then Laplace in 1796. So independently they are proposed independently, not together. Okay. So first one is clear. Second, the spacing of planets is best explained by A. Dynamic encounter theory, B. Planetesimal hypothesis, C. Nebular hypothesis, D. Tidal hypothesis. First of all, these three are about origin of the Earth. So here different answer is dynamic encounter theory. See why dynamic encounter theory. Option A is right. See here. The dynamic encounter act theory is theory for historical origin of the aeroplanets as the result from the near collision of the Sun and a comet. This theory was originally put forward by Georges Leclerc, Comet de Buffon. Next, third question. Which of the following planets has the least density? Option A Earth, option B Mars, option C Venus, and option D Saturn, and option E Pluto. Here is correct answer is Saturn. Saturn has least density of all the planets. Here is the table. Mercury has density 5.4, Venus has 5.2, Earth has 5.5, Mars has 3.9, Jupiter has 1.3, Saturn has 0.7, Uranus has 1.3, Neptune has 1.6. Even water has 1 gram cubic meters density. So Saturn density is less than water density. So here is the Earth has the highest density. So least as Saturn. Next question. Planetesimal hypothesis was proposed by option A Kant, option B Laplace, option C Jeans, option D Chamberlain and Moulton, option D Chamberlain and Moulton. Correct answer. Fifth question. Gaseous tidal hypothesis was proposed by A. Chamberlain, B. Moulton, C. Chamberlain and Jeans, D. Jeans and Jeffreys. Option D. Jeans and Jeffreys. Binary star hypothesis was proposed by. These are the direct questions. That's why I'm explaining anything. So A. Kepler, B. Jeffreys, C. Leitler. Correct answer is Leitler. Binary star hypothesis was proposed by. Here is Titus-Bode's law. Bode's law derived an empirical formula to express the approximate distance between the dash and dash. Sun A. Sun and Moon, B. Moon and Earth, C. Sun and Earth. Here Titus-Bode's law for distance between the Sun and Earth, 1 angstrom unit. So here is the answer is Sun and Earth. C. Option C is the correct. Derived the empirical formula to express the approximate distance, 1 angstrom unit. Astronomical unit. Okay. Eighth question. Asteroid belt is between option A, Earth and Venus. Option B, Mercury and Venus. Mercury and Venus. Option C, Earth and Jupiter. Option D, Saturn and Uranus. See here diagram. This asteroid belt is between Mars and Jupiter. Here correct answer is, sorry I didn't give here. So here correct answer is Mars and Jupiter. Sorry, is wrong. Mars and Jupiter. Okay, see here Mars and Jupiter. Asteroid belt is between Mars and Jupiter. Okay. Ninth question. Second highest dense planet. Second highest dense planet is option A, Jupiter. Option B, Mercury. Option C, Venus. Option D, Earth. So second highest dense planet is Venus. Here is option C. Venus is the correct answer. Earth is the first one. Venus is the second dense planet. Here, see here. Earth has 5.5. Mercury is the second highest dense planet in the solar system. Earth is the first highest dense planet. Mercury is the second highest dense planet. So here is 5.4 Mercury and 5.5 Earth. Next question. Which planet always keeps same face to the sun? Mercury. Option A. Option B, Venus. Option C, Mars. Option D, Jupiter. Here is the answer is Mercury. Why Mercury is? The rotational period was thought to be the same as the period of revolution, so that would keep the same face to the sun in the same way that the moon does to the earth. Okay, understand? Next question. Dash is the brightest object in the sky after the sun and moon. Venus. Option A. Option B, Earth. Option C, Jupiter. Here is the answer is Venus. Why Venus? Why brightest after the sun and moon? Brightest Venus. See here, light bounces easily off the smooth surface of these spheres and crystals. Sunlight bouncing from these clouds is a big part of the reason that Venus is so bright. Okay, because of sunlight bouncing from the clouds of the Venus surface. Okay, clear? Next, why Venus spins retrograde? It actually tilted how much degrees? 177 or B 176, C over tilted. So here is correct answer is 177 degrees. Okay, here see here, Earth tilted 23 degrees and Venus 177 degrees. So that's why Venus spins retrograde motion. Okay. Next question. Mars popularly called the dash planet because of its hue. Answer A is blue. Answer B green. Option C red. Here is because of hue, it's red. Mars red color. Next question. Mars has two natural satellites. Option A, Phobos and Deimos. Option D, Ganymede and Callisto. Here is correct answer is Phobos and Deimos. The two moons, here see here, the two moons of Mars are Phobos and Deimos. They are irregular in shape. Both are discovered by Arshap Hall in August 1877. Okay, next question. Largest planet in the solar system. Option A, Jupiter. Option B, Saturn. Option C, Venus. And option D, Earth. So, here is Jupiter is the largest planet in solar system. So, correct answer is Jupiter. See here why Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. The largest planet in our solar system by far is Jupiter, which beats out all the other planets in both mass and volume. Jupiter's mass is more than 300 times that of the Earth, and its diameter at is about 11 times Earth's diameter. Kilometers is about 11 times Earth diameter. Okay, so Jupiter is the largest planet. Second largest planet in the solar system. First largest planet is Jupiter. So second largest planet is Saturn. Okay. Next question. Yellow planet. What is option A? Mars. Option B, Saturn. Option C, Uranus. Option D, Neptune. Here is the correct answer. Saturn. Why Saturn is the yellow planet, yellow color planet? Because of combined with its deeper red clouds, this results in the planet have a pale gold color. Okay, the sun is essentially a sphere of hot gases. The disk is also called the option A, photosphere. Option B, corona. The sun is essentially a sphere of hot gases. A disk is called, see here, a disk is called corona. Photosphere. A disk is called photosphere. Next question. When the light of the sun disk is completely cut off, the outermost layer is called corona. Corona. This is the, sometimes we see in solar eclipse. This is called corona layer of outermost layer. At the center of the sun, the temperature is about option A 15 million kelvins, B 14.5 million Kelvin. So correct answer is 15 million K. Next, light of the sun reaches 8.8 light minutes, B 8.3 light minutes. Correct answer is 8.3 light minutes. The third nearest planet to the sun is in size it ranks. The third nearest planet to the sun in size fifth. It ranks fifth. Okay. Blue planet. Here is blue planet is Earth. Undoubtedly, blue planet is the Earth. Okay. Next, Earth surface. Option A 520 million square kilometers and B 510 million square kilometers. 510 million square kilometers is the right answer. The difference between the polar and equatorial radius is A 21.5 kilometers, B 25 kilometers, C 26 kilometers. Correct answer is 21 kilometers. C answer. C here 500 seconds. So we can see here option A is the correct answer. The difference between meridian and equator is more than option A 21 kilometers, option B 22 kilometers, option C 65 kilometers. Answer is 65 kilometers. Which of the following planets has the highest bulk density? Which of the following planets has the highest bulk density? Jupiter. Jupiter has the highest bulk density. sorry, Venus, 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 Venus. Which which of the following planets has the highest bulk density? Venus, Venus, Venus. Venus is the have the highest bulk density. Okay, sorry. Which planet is known by green planet? Which planet is known by green planet? See here. Option A Uranus, option B Neptune, option C Mars. Here is correct answer is Uranus. Uranus is a green planet. That question. Which of the following are Jovian planets? See here, Mercury and Mars are the terrestrial planets. Only one option is Jupiter. Okay, it is Jovian planet is Jupiter, a gas planet. The most powerful radio object in the universe after the sun is black holes, quasars, Venus and Jupiter. Correct answer is Jupiter. Okay. Next, which of the following possess both stellar and planetary characters? Also Jupiter. Okay. Not Venus, not Saturn, not Pluto. Here is correct answer is Jupiter. Okay, friends, that's enough today. Here is our WhatsApp group and Telegram link here, and I will give in description. So you can join in Telegram group for daily quizzes, and you can join in WhatsApp group for latest information and discussions. So thank you. Please give your feedback in below comment box. Question for next class: which discontinuity? Okay, we will next class on internal structure of the earth. So question for next class: which discontinuity separates the Sial and Sema? Which discontinuity separates the Sial and Sema? Okay, give your answer in comment box. Okay, thank you, thank you. Please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.